Let me spill the beans. Yes, the number one secret to why my cakes stand apart is nothing but this. Yes, this simple cake filling recipe. Take any of my cakes and you will definitely find a compote or a filling recipe in it. And today let me show you my classic strawberry filling step by step. We start with strawberries, sugar and lemon juice in a saucepan. Fresh or frozen strawberries doesn't matter, but yes, fresh lemon juice is the way to go. Cook for a couple of minutes, about 2 minutes maybe, and you will observe that the strawberries start releasing its juices and it also becomes softer and softer. Just by mashing the strawberries with the help of your spoon, you will get to know it. Once the strawberries are cooked, the clear indication of which is the ease by which it gets broken down, do a taste test. It is very important because no two berries taste alike. Each batch will always taste a bit different. If you feel that it is too tart, adjust by adding some sugar, and if you feel that it is too sweet, adjust by adding some lemon juice. I added a little bit of both to balance the taste. A pro tip here for you guys is that always and always keep your compote or filling on tartar side, that is more sour, because that balances out the sweetness in the frosting and the actual cake itself. Once you are satisfied with the taste, add the corn flour and stir continuously. Keep stirring so that the corn flour does not stick to the base and starts burning. Another reason to keep it stirring is that you do not want any lump formation. If you are worried about that, what you can do is add little water to your cornstarch, make it into a slurry and then add it into your strawberries. So in just few minutes you will observe that the mixture is thickening. Stir the mixture until it coats the back of the spoon well. Draw a finger across the back of the spoon and if it leaves a trail, your fruit filling is ready. It is ready to be used as a topping on your cheesecakes. Yes, you can use the same recipe in so many different ways, like you can top it on your cheesecake, brownies, waffles, pancakes and whatnot, or you can also use the filling at this stage in your pies and tarts. But to be used as a filling in cake, just cook it a minute longer and you will observe it getting thicker. Stop at this stage, as now you can be doubly sure that the filling won't bleed into the cake. Immediately transfer it to another container and cling wrap in a way that it touches the filling. This way there won't be any skin formation on top. To use this in cakes, simply trim the cakes, fill it with cream and top the cream with the prepared and now cooled strawberry filling. A detailed video tutorial will be coming up next where I show you how to fill and frost the cake with the strawberry filling. If that interests you, consider subscribing to our channel so that you do not miss any updates. And like I was saying, apart from cakes, you can also use it to fill cupcakes, top your cheesecakes, brownies, tart, shell and so much more. You can follow the same procedure and use blueberries to make blueberry compote, or use pineapple to make pineapple compote, or passion fruit to make passion fruit compote and so much more. Find these and many more ideas along with tips on our detailed blog post, the link for which is in the description box below. That's it for this versatile filling recipe video. I'll see you soon with yet another one. Until then, this is Sushma signing off. Take care. Bye-bye.